Welcome to the Creating an Effective Desktop Layout segment of Stock Trading Ninja, scanning, sorting, and selecting low-risk, high-probability setups. This segment will be an on-screen tutorial using the TC2000 platform. I'm your instructor, Frank Bunn. The goal is to create and implement a simple layout for scanning and analysis that takes approximately 10 minutes per day or week, depending on the interval you are analyzing. We also want to take advantage of the swing high-low edge, whereby the trader is alerted to potential low-risk entries before they evolve. This facilitates sorting and selection and results in consistent application. Consistent application means consistent results. The process of trading can be simple. An efficient layout reduces stress and maximizes performance. Your trading objective determines the layout style. Proper sorting allows the best setups to pop off the screen, and trading becomes effortless. The suggested layout for this training module will be the EMA systems, using the context of the exponential moving average fan. The objective is the base breakout with entries near the bottom of the consolidation. This technical context provides an excellent condition for 3 to 5R gains. Optionally, you can go short the counter trend sell-offs off the top. The chart tools for this configuration will be the 3-period exponential moving average, the 6-period exponential moving average, and the 18-period exponential moving average. Additionally, we will require the 50, 100, and 200 EMAs to configure the EMA fan. We will also need the 12-26-period MACD oscillator with the 9-period EMA signal line, and the trend line drawing tool with the Snap to feature to ensure accuracy. We will begin by configuring a simple layout in TC2000. The TC2000 Classic layout comes loaded with all kinds of information and data that is not required for consistent setup trading. Therefore, I will remove all of the tools that are not required and configure a simple layout with a daily chart, a weekly chart, and a watch list. I will begin by deleting all of the windows that I don't need. Next, I will configure this chart so that I can save it as a template. I will first delete all of the indicators. By clicking here, I can edit my chart settings. I will begin with properties. I will eliminate my value and date grid lines and the symbol watermark since it is not necessary. I can also from here adjust the value scale size and the date size at the bottom. I can also decrease or increase the width of the margin between the last interval and the hard right edge. I will decrease this to 6%. When I'm finished, I'll click OK. Next, I will configure the plot style itself. I'll configure this for candlesticks, set to open versus close, and for this exercise, I will color them gray. I will fill in the up bars and leave the down bars empty. When this is configured, I will select OK. I can zoom in by moving this scale at the bottom of the chart. Following this, I will return to Edit Chart Settings to ensure that I am using a logarithmic chart. Now I can add my indicators. By right-clicking on the chart, I can add a plot. I will begin with the moving averages, adding an exponential moving average. I will edit this, make it a 3-period exponential moving average, give it a color, and also thickness. Next, I will add the 6 exponential moving average in the same manner. First configuring it for 6 intervals, applying color and thickness. Next, I will add the 18-period exponential moving average. I will make it red. It is exponential, and I will add thickness. Now I have the 3, 6, and 18 period exponential moving averages running on the chart. Next, I will add the 3 exponential moving averages for the EMA fan. These are the 50, 100, and 200. We'll add plot, exponential moving average, and configure the 50. 50 periods, the color, and select OK. Similarly, I will add the 100 and 200 now. I have all 3 of the long-term moving averages running. They are colored blue, the 50, 100, 200, as well as the 3, 6, 18. Next, I will add the MACD indicator. By clicking Add Plot, MACD, I will configure this to increase the thickness of the line, and I will change the color of the 9-period exponential moving average to red and increase the thickness for this exercise. I now have all the tools I need to perform consistent analysis using the exponential moving average systems and the swing high-low impulse pattern. I will save this chart by right-clicking and Save Chart As. I will save this as STN Daily. I will make a weekly version of the chart by going to my toolbar, selecting New, Chart, select a new STND chart similar to this, and then positioning the chart to the right. I will then change the interval to the weekly and then save this as STN-W for weekly. Now I have both a daily and weekly interval chart running at the same time. Next, I will configure my watch list. All that I need initially will be symbol and price, so I can eliminate net change and percent change, and customizing this by selecting Edit. I will remove the company name and select OK. With my symbol and price columns intact, I can now save this layout and import my PCF scripts. I will go down to the tab at the bottom, right-click, Save Layout As, and I will save this as STN Daily and Weekly.